Right, so I got the spare wheel in for a Corsa we got. So I'm just trying to get a bit more professional look to it. So we'll get it painted, brush up all the rust in it with a wire brush. I think that should do. That'll do. Right, now it's just to put these playing cards in. Right, best things to use to stop paint going on your tyres. Playing cards. Right, I've got some VW Audi black paint, and I'll just give it a quick once over that. And I'll give another part of it that dry for a bit now. Just about to apply the second, probably the final coat. Don't have to be too fussy with only the spare wheel. Just makes it a little bit more professional looking, that's all. I did actually forget to cover up the file, but it's black, I'm sure it'll be fine. I think that will do. Alright, wait for it to dry. And there it is, there's the final coat of it. Just about dry. Given the tyre quick wipe over wet sponge as well as got day. So yeah, let's see what it looks like in the back of the car. Yeah, it just looks so much cleaner now, and it just, you know, makes a hell of a difference really. You don't really want a rusty spare wheel in the back of a car, it just doesn't make it look great. So yeah, just these little things really to make any car you're selling stand out from the competition really. Always clean underneath as well, because all sorts of crap gets in there really, you know, leaves, dirt. Give it a quick Uber, quick wipe over with a sponge, and just make it a bit more presentable really. So yeah, that's my top tip.